Good morning, and welcome to your pre-market report for Friday, May 15th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed mostly higher overnight, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising around approximately 0.7%, while the S&P 500 gained approximately 0.8% to another record close, and the Nasdaq Composite climbed approximately 0.9% to fresh all-time highs. Strong earnings from tech companies and continued momentum in AI and semiconductor stocks boosted sentiment, while softer crude oil prices also supported risk appetite across Wall Street. Asian markets are trading mostly negative today, with the Nikkei down over 1%, while the Hang Seng corrected by about 0.8%, while the Kospi cratered over 3% after the recent gains seen over the week. The negative momentum, despite a near-record close on Wall Street, is mostly due to profit booking and still elevated crude oil prices, which fomented inflation-related risks. GIFT Nifty Futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,675, thereby indicating a flat to negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices remain volatile but slightly lower as easing Middle East supply concerns offset ongoing geopolitical uncertainty and U.S.-Iran tensions. Gold prices are trading largely steady, supported by safe haven demand and rate cut expectations despite improved global risk sentiment. Tata Motors reported a mixed Q4 performance, with revenue rising 7.2% YOY to 1.05 lakh crore rupees, while net profit declined 31.7% to 5,783 crore rupees due to margin pressure and weaker performance at JLR. EBITDA margins also fell sharply to 10.7%, although the company announced a dividend of 3 rupees per share. JSW Steel posted a strong Q4 performance, with revenue growing 11.3% quarter-over-quarter to 51,180 crore rupees, and EBITDA jumping nearly 33% to 8,634 crore rupees. Net profit surged to 16,370 crore rupees, largely boosted by a one-time gain related to the loss of control of BPSL's steel business, while the company also approved fundraising plans of up to 7,000 crore rupees. HCL Technologies has announced a strategic partnership with Red Hat to deliver enterprise-grade AI infrastructure solutions. The collaboration aims to help organizations accelerate AI adoption and strengthen their digital transformation capabilities. Following the mostly negative cues from the Asian markets as well as elevated crude oil prices which still linger around the $100 mark, Nifty is expected to open mostly flat with a negative bias. Levels will remain the same as what we mentioned in yesterday's post-market report, with supports being at 23,560, followed by 23,400, while resistances will be at 23,760, followed by 23,900. A negative bias may be expected today due to profit booking after the recent rally. Elevated crude oil prices, persistent geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, rising global bond yields, and continued FYI selling remain key risks for Indian markets, keeping pressure on inflation expectations, currency stability, and overall investor sentiment. Strong global technology momentum led by AI and semiconductor stocks, easing crude oil prices, resilient domestic institutional buying, and continued healthy Q4 earnings from Indian corporates could help support Indian equities and market sentiment. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net buyers of about 188 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 684 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on May 15, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.